Your brand says a lot about who you are as an individual, especially if you are in the world of content creation. However, what does your brand that represents say about you? Does it speak life? Is it something that you are proud of to represent? What does it actually say about you? Synergy here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking into what branding means and what it looks like as a content creator. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure notifications are turned on so you don't miss out on any other future videos. So what exactly does the word branding mean in the world of content creation? A brand is the exact feeling someone would have if they check out your content. It's your message, your reputation, and your overall presence. It can also be your community's understanding of who you are as a content creator. Start off by making sure what your vision for your brand is and make sure it's clear. Do you want your content to be funny, engaging, or something trendy? Your brand quality is going to incorporate many characteristics such as your environment, the content features, and even the words that you use. Before creating content, make sure you think to yourself on how your target audience would feel about what they view. How do you want your audience to feel after leaving? Create content with intention. On the subject of content, creating consistent content will attract people that will align with your brand and will build familiarity and trust to that brand. With this type of loyalty, viewers will want more from you. With that in mind, keep your brand's personality as a guide for the choice you make when producing content. Building your brand requires you to find your target audience. Finding the time to find out what your audience is interested in and how you can bring future content to them. Another thought could be marrying two different ideas together. For example, a lot of times I use gaming as my main focus and tech and gear as my secondary. In addition, you should understand how to attract people to your content, and the value that you bring will bring someone back for more. When you are comfortable with what your brand intentions are, you'll be able to create content more for the loyal fan base. To build your brand, you want to make it easy for your audience to understand your niche and the value of your content provides. Sharing your content on a primary platform such as YouTube or TikTok is a good place to start when finding an audience. However, you should also find out where else your audience seeks content and involve yourself there as well, if you have the time to do so. My best bet would be build your audience on one or two platforms and branch out once you have a good foundation of success on your primary platform. Building a brand isn't something that will happen overnight. In fact, you may never see it explode until years down the road. By identifying what your brand represents and who your audience is will set you up for success. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and let me know what you thought in the comments. And we'll catch you in the next video.